Hello my dear students, welcome. Welcome to Bridge Course Session 5. In this session, I am explaining today's topic MCQ's questions for History, Chapter 1, When, Where and How. See here, question number 16 is there. Already we have completed 1 to 15 questions in previous session. So in this session, I am continuing questions. See here, question number 16. Which of the following artificial? See here, some options are there here. Mountains. Mountains, it is a natural. Ocean, it is also natural. And river, it is also natural. And here right answer is the buildings. Okay, next. Question number 17. Yarrow Hills to the northeast. So Yarrow Hills are located in northeast. And the Vindhyas in central India. Was some of other areas were developed. Okay, so what is developed here? Some given the options here: fishing, agriculture, markets. So what in this field? So fishing, otherwise agriculture, otherwise markets. So what here developed in Yarrow Hills to the northeast and the Vindhyas in the central India. Okay, the correct answer is there here, agriculture. The agriculture was developed Yarrow Hills to the northeast and the Vindhyas in central India. Next question, the name Bharata. The name Bharata was used for a group of the people who lived in the northeast and who are mentioned in what they are mentioned. Bharata, the earliest composition, that is in Sanskrit, that is dated about 2500 years ago. So later it was used in country. See here, some given the options: Samveda, Yajurveda and Rig Veda. We are seeing here about 3500 years ago in Bharata, used in the Sanskrit composition. That answer is here Rig Veda. Rig Veda is the right answer. Next question. Iranians and Greeks come to India from? In which direction to came to India? See here given options: northwest, northeast, central part. The right answer is the northwest. Next question. Question number 20. Manu is Latin word which refers to? They given the options: legs, hand, stomach. So first, what is Manu? First I am explaining what is Manu. We learned in previous class manuscript. We are calling that manuscript. Manuscripts, some the Ramayana, the Rig Veda, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran. These all scripts are written by hand. So we are calling that Manu. Okay. So the correct answer is the hand. So hand, it is the Latin word, means Manu, it is the Latin word, it is refers to hand. Next question, question number 21. Manuscripts were usually written on palm leaf or on the specially prepared bark of tree known as birch. Okay, so which grows in Himalayas. See here, manuscripts, our ancestors written on the palm leaf, okay, and birch. It is a bark birch. It is a tree of bark. Okay, so it is grows in Himalaya. So this answer is true. Next, question number 22. Identify the correct statement about inscriptions. See here. So some given 4 options: A, B, C, D. In these 4 options, 4 statements are there here about inscription. So which statements are correct? See here, you check it here. So first option is there here. These are writing on relatively hard surfaces such as stone or metal. See here, inscriptions means what? Some inscriptions we written in the stones, walls, otherwise metals. Okay, this option is also correct here. And next option B, sometimes kings got their orders inscribed so that people could see, read and obey them. Okay, so some kings obeys the rules of the people, they obey them. Okay, so kings, how many years they are ruled, okay, which battle they fought, they also could be written on the walls, otherwise written on the stone. So this is also correct. And third option is there here. There are other kinds of inscriptions as well where men and women, including kings and queens, also coming here. They are recorded what they did. For example, kings often kept records of victories in battles. Okay, so which battles, okay, which battles they fought. The king was which battle they fought, how many years they fought the battle, how many years they ruled the their place, okay, their kingdom. So these all will be written on the walls, otherwise written on the stones. It is calling that inscription. Okay, the third statement also correct. And fourth statement is there here. There exist large number of inscriptions for the working of common people. Okay, some common peoples are doing the work of inscription, but here we not got here the correct statement in this statement about inscription. The correct answers are there: A, B and C. Next question, question number 23. The Iranians and Greeks who came through the northwest about dash years ago and were familiar with the Indus called it Hindus or the Indos, and the land to the east of the river was called India. See here, Iranians and Greeks, they came to the India through, how they through came to India? Northwest. Okay, how many years ago they came? Some years are they given here: 1000 year, 1500 year, 2000 year, 2500 year. So already we have learnt in this chapter around, means about 2500 years ago Iranians and Greeks came through the northwest. About 2500 years they came to India, and they given to the name India what? Hindus or Indos. It is the right answer. 2500 years they came to India. Whom? Iranians and Greeks. Next, question number 24. Manuscripts. Manuscripts deals with. So already we have learnt what is manuscript. Manuscripts written in the Bibles, okay, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Vedas. These all, what are these all? They are the religious books. Okay, these are the religious beliefs and practices. And otherwise they given the options: the lives of kings. Manuscript means they written lives on kings. Okay, and okay, in that book written on the king's lives. And also medicine and science, whatever medicines are there, they also written in that book. By hand only they are written. Okay, these all answers are correct. So the answer is, correct answer is all of the above. Okay, manuscript deals with religious beliefs, practices, the lives of kings, and medicine practice. So the answer is all of the above. Next question is question number 25. 2250 years old inscriptions found in the Kandar was inscribed on the order of king. So it is a Kandar. Kandar is located, otherwise situated in Afghanistan. See here, in that 2250 years old, it is one inscription found in Kandar. It is in Afghanistan. Okay, so it inscribes on the order of king. So which king's order they inscribes? See here, they given the king's name here: Harshavardhana, Ashoka, Chandragupta Maurya. See here, the right answer is there here, Ashoka. The Ashoka king orders, this inscribes the inscription in about 2250 years. Okay, old inscription found in Kandar. Kandar is situated in where? Afghanistan. See here, question number 26. Manuscripts were written on dash leaves. Okay, so already we have learned this. So manuscript written in palm, people, otherwise banana. So which is the correct answer here? Palm leaves. Manuscripts were written on palm leaves. Question number 27. The crops which were first grown by men and women were. Some question answers are there here: cotton and barley. Our ancestors, first early mans, they are grown. Our men and women started the agriculture. Okay, and also which crop they are grown first? See here, some options are there: cotton and barley, rice and sugar, wheat and barley. The right answer is wheat and barley. Question number 28. Identify the correct statement. See here, they given the options A, B, C and D. In these options, so which statement is correct? Identify here. See here, first option B, C. It is B, C. BC stands for before Christ. So this option is, this statement is also correct. And AD, before date, stands to two Latin words, that is Anno Domini. So some are doing that, some are telling the answer that AD means after death. It is a wrong answer that. So AD means what? Anno Domini. Okay, and this statement is also correct. And BP stands for before present. So this statement is also correct, but nowadays we are not using, okay, so before present, but this answer is correct. Okay, so see here, BC, BC stands for before Christ. AD stands for Anno Domini. BP, it stands for before present. Three statement also correct here. The correct answer is all of the above. So next question, question number 29. Manuscript. See here, some manuscript spelling is mistake here. So MANUSCRIPTS, manuscript. Manuscripts were kept in safe. Okay, some of our manuscript, our ancestors wrote the manuscript. So where they kept in safe? See here, they given the options: in temples and monasteries, in houses, otherwise in king's palace. Where they kept manuscripts? The correct answer is there, in temples and monasteries. And see here, next question. Today, most people living in the Andaman Islands to get their own food by fishing, hunting and collecting forest produce. Okay, so today we are seeing some people in Andaman Islands. Okay, so they get their own food. How they get own food? By fishing, by hunting, and they are collecting the forest produce. How they, our early minds, that like our today also are there in Andaman Island peoples. Okay, so this answer is true. Okay student, I hope you all are today's questions understood. You should be write these all questions and read daily. And today's session completed here. So next session I am continuing in next class. Thank you.